Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you this morning? Okay, my student, now let's pray to our. Okay, thank you, my students. I hope by praying we will study hardly and seriously about the lesson. Although we are in coronavirus situations, we may not stop to learn. Well, my students, today we will learn about spoken formal invitations. In this lesson, we will learn how to invite someone, how to accept and refuse the invitations. It will be have some advantages in our daily life and it will be used for your next education level.
Conversation about an invitation.
Hey, did you hear about Monika's party this Sunday?
I've heard about it, but I'm still waiting for my invitation.
Really? I got mine from her this morning.
I'm guessing that she's going to give me my invitation today or tomorrow.
Now I will divide you into some pairs. Then let's listen to the audio below.
Inviting to birthday party. Would you be interested in coming to my birthday party this Saturday? Of course. What time? At 8 p.m.
Well, my students, I will drill some new vocabularies that we use in formal invitation. Repeat after me. Mine, mine, downtown, downtown. Anyway, anyway. Performance, performance. Pick you up, pick you up. Sounds great, sounds great.
Performance. Pick you up. Sound great. Tonight. Empire. Showing. Romantic. Movies. Pay and meet. Mine. Downtown. Anyway. Performance.
Okay, my student, now I will drill some expressions about formal in Jakarta Fair. Let's go to the Jakarta Fair. I hope you will come to my party. I hope you will come to my party. Please try to come. Please try to come. Would you like to come to my house?
Let's go to Jakarta Fair. I hope you'll come to my party. Please stay to come. Would you like to come to my house?
Accepting. I love that. I like that. It sounds interesting. It sounds interesting. It's very nice of you to invite me.
Accepting. I'd love to. I like that. It sounds interesting. It's very nice of you to invite me. That would be wonderful. That sounds great. Thank you for the invitation.
Well, my students, I will give you an invitation card, then discuss it with your peer.
Number 1. Why does Linda Smith invite his friends? The answer: celebrating her graduation. Number 3. How old is Chad? Chad is 8 years old.
Number 4. Is the receipt in the cat invitation?
Well, my students, I will give you some dialogue, then practice it with your. Okay, I will ask one of my students to make a conclusions of our lesson today. Who want to try it first?
From lesson today, I can understand about spoken formal invitation. I also understand how to respond it.
From our lesson today, we can conclude about the formal invitations. We can comprehend about how to invite someone, how to respond about someone invitations. Well, my student, because the time is up, we finish our lesson today. Don't forget to do your homeworks well, and don't forget to read about our next material at home. I also remind you to keep your body health from the coronavirus. Don't forget to wash your hand, keep social distance each other, and don't forget to wear masks if you go anywhere. Let's say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. See you for the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Empire 21 Cinema. What movies is showing there? It's a romantic comedy movie. I like to see romantic comedy movies. I like sci movies too. Do you want to see the movie with me?
Hey Robert, what are you doing the weekend?
I didn't have any big plans.
Hi Robert, what are you doing this weekend? I do not have any big plans. We are putting together a birthday party for Mary.
Mary. Hi Robert, what are you doing this weekend? Robert, I didn't have any big plans.